first blind buy this 2026. The Codlodge Island Vanilla Junes. Quick unboxing lang tayo. Tapos, konting insights na din about this perfume. Let's go. Ito pala ay dupe ng Parfums de Marly Altair. Grabe, look at this box. This is the bottle. Grabe, sobrang ganda. The bottle itself already gives warm and tropical luxury vibe, di ba? Atomizer check. Grabe, pressurized guys. Tingnan nyo, angas pa. Pang. Grabe, ang bango na ito. Okay guys, skin test tayo. Testin natin. Grabe. So para sa akin, sa opening, naamoy ko lavender, citrusy, bergamot, sweet vanilla, but not too sugary. So as it dry downs, naamoy ko is mas nagiging smoother, softer, sweeter. Kaya medyo gusto ko yung blend ng vanilla, cinnamon, may pagka-woody, powdery. Hindi ko pa naamoy yung OG, pero alam nyo din naman yung presyo nun. Tingnan nyo na lang sa yellow basket dyan kung magkano lang to. So para sa akin, this one, safe to blind buy for me. Alam niyo yung amoy ng Biscoff. Imagine yung Biscoff talaga ng lavender. Parang ganun. Bango guys, ang tamis, vanilla, cinnamon, pero not too overpowering naman eh. So ayo, what do you think? Would you get this perfume? And sa performance, just let me know in the comments kung gawa ko another video for that. Kasi hindi ko pa naman natatry ito. So see you in my next video. Peace out.